you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we're going to make super easy, super fun, do-it-yourself energy balls. These little things are perfect. You can have them for breakfast, as a quick snack in the afternoon, you know, that 2 o'clock when you need that bite of something to really keep you going. They're perfect, they're easy to make, and you only need a few ingredients. And also, something really fun, you could kind of play around and mix and match what's in there. So, without further ado, let's get started on our do-it-yourself energy balls. In our bowl here, we have about 3/4 of a cup of some organic peanut butter. We're just going to put that into our bowl and get ready to add our other ingredients. We have 1 cup of oats that we're going to add, and 1/2 cup of some semi-sweet dark chocolate chips, because who doesn't want some chocolate chips? I mean, that's fun. It's okay. And then we have 1/2 cup of chia seeds. If you don't want to use chia seeds, you can also use flax seeds here. And like I mentioned in the beginning, you could kind of play around with these ingredients and get to what you really want. The only other thing we're going to add is a little bit of sea salt. Some people like to add honey to these balls. I personally don't. I think it makes them a little bit too sticky. But if you want to add some honey, go ahead and add a tablespoon. And then we're just going to start mixing it together. So basically, you just want to get this mixed all together into your peanut butter, because then we're going to roll them up into some balls and put them into our freezer just for about an hour or so minimum, and then they'll be ready to go. And you're just going to want to keep mixing, because believe it or not, even if it doesn't look like it at first, that peanut butter really gets throughout all the other ingredients, and it'll be perfect to the consistency that you want before we roll it up into our balls. Once you have it all blended together, you're just going to roll into some meatball-sized balls just like this and lay them out on a cookie sheet. We're then going to freeze them for 1 hour minimum, but honestly, if it goes over than that, that's fine. After that, they could actually just be stored in your fridge. They don't have to be stored in your freezer. You're just going to want to freeze them up to get them kind of solid, and then you can move them over to your fridge. And then that's it, really. You have perfect do-it-yourself energy balls. You saw that this recipe was really easy. It's loaded with a lot of good things and nutrients and all sorts of stuff that we want to have. So that's pretty much it. You're just going to want to keep rolling till you have all of your balls rolled. And then you have some really easy energy balls. I mean, they call them energy balls because these things are loaded with good stuff for you. They got those chia seeds or flax seeds. You got peanut butter. You got oats. You got... what else do we got in there? Chocolate chips, that's just kind of good. That just makes it taste good. But they're really kind of loaded with a bunch of stuff. They're a really healthy snack, and they taste good too. And once they're all laid out on your tray, you're just going to go ahead and wrap them up, just either with some plastic wrap or foil. Throw them in your freezer for about an hour. And after that time, you have delicious energy balls. We got all that good stuff in there. We got the oats, we got the flax or chia seeds, we have that peanut butter and everything else. It's going to be so delicious, and it couldn't be easier. Best part, you can make a ton and have them all week. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. If you have any questions or comments, do all that below this video. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.